In this video, I'll show you how to easily change a contact poster on an iPhone. Be sure to watch until the end to avoid any mistakes. Let's get started. First, open the iPhone app and tap on Contacts. Then, select the contact for whom you want to change the poster. I'll use this contact as an example. Next, tap on Add Contact Photo and Poster. Here you'll see option both the contact picture and the poster. Now we can change either on by tapping the Customize button. If you want to change the poster, select Poster. You can move it around or resize it by pinching to adjust the position. You can also apply a filter to the image if you'd like. To choose a different picture, tap the button that opens your camera roll. From there, select a new image. For this example, I'll choose this one. Again, you can resize it and apply a filter. Then hit Add. On the next screen, you'll also have an option to choose a picture for the contact photo. You can configure it or skip this step. I'll go ahead and hit Skip. As you can see, I've successfully changed my contact poster. Now to finish up, just tap Done. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up.